Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted, to-the-point coding tutorials. For today's topic, we'll be exploring the function called input in Python and its interaction with users. The supplied code shows a simplistic utilization of the input function in Python that interacts with the user by asking for their name. When this program gets executed, it prompts the user with a question, "What is your name?" Then, it patiently waits for the user to type their response in the console. This response gets captured and stored in the variable known as name. Following this, the program employs an f-string, a unique feature of Python, which allows expressions to be embedded within string literals for the creation of a personalized greeting message that incorporates the user's name. By integrating the value of the variable name into the greeting, the program dynamically crafts a message specifically meant for the user, thereby upgrading the script's interactivity. Input data in Python is by default interpreted as a string. The captured strings are then converted into integers using the int function to enable arithmetic operations. This conversion is essential because arithmetic operations cannot be directly performed on strings. After the user enters two numbers, the program calculates their sum and prints out the result, effectively demonstrating Python's capability to act as a simple calculator. By prompting the user to enter their name and age in one go, separated by a comma, the program efficiently captures both pieces of information simultaneously using the input function. The .split method is then applied to the input string, dividing it at the comma into a list of two elements. Python's unpacking feature allows these elements to be assigned to the variables name and age in a single operation. Finally, the program uses an f-string to embed these variables into a greeting message, which is personalized with the user's inputted name and age. The print statement then references these variables to present the personalized message. This Python code snippet exemplifies a common pattern in defensive programming, where the goal is to anticipate and safely handle incorrect or unexpected user inputs to maintain the robustness and reliability of the program. It employs a while loop that repeatedly prompts the user to enter a number until a valid numeric input is provided. The key to this approach is the use of the isDigit method on the user's input, which returns true if the input string consists solely of a valid number and false otherwise. This method effectively filters out non-numeric entries, such as alphabetic or special characters, ensuring that the program proceeds only with appropriate input. If the input is not valid, the program informs the user of the mistake and prompts for the input again, thus preventing the program from crashing or executing with incorrect data. This loop continues indefinitely until a valid number is entered, at which point the loop is exited using break, and the program proceeds, demonstrating a practical application of input validation to enhance error handling and user experience in interactive Python scripts. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding!